Good afternoon, y'all. This is Keith Dykes with W.K.D Construction, and today on our video, we're going to be installing a pocket door hardware kit. I'm using a Johnson brand pocket door hardware kit. It basically comes with everything besides the door that you need. It just everything that the rollers, the guide track, and the vertical wall supports. And about the only time we usually go with a pocket door is when you have a clearance issue. I mean, you have a tight space like in the bathroom here in the pool house. We don't really have, one side we got the shower and the other side will be into the water closet room. So there's not a really, we don't have the extra room to swing a conventional door. So we went with the pocket door. So we're gonna put in a pocket door in that opening right there. Get 4 metal studs with wood on the inside, some feet brackets, and a header. All right, on your pocket door rough opening, you're gonna have the size of the door you want, doubled, plus 1 inch, and then you're gonna have a 4-inch higher header height than your normal door opening. Then you'll just take the header bracket, and it's marked 2 foot, 2.4, 2.2, 2.6, and you'll just cut that where it needs to go with whatever door size you're using. See your friends. I don't know if you can see it or not. There we go. This 2.2, we're going to cut it right here. Huh?
Look at that metal bracket.
Look it. So you got 53 as the length of the opening. Then you will have this hanging over 1 3/8 of an inch. It's already got that marked right there, bro. We'll cut this off here, and then we'll cut the aluminum part off as well. Drops all out. So after you cut the end, that's what you end up with. Basically hanging over just like it was. And you got a bracket goes on the end. Slides in the track. This side, the thick side, goes to where your door is going to be. We got the laser set up. I'm just going to check to see
56, yeah.
if our screws are level. We're just using the GRK Lathen screws. I like them because they're really don't have much of a head on them. You know, they're real thin. That way when you put your jam in there, you don't have to worry about a head of a screw sticking out. So there you have it. It's got screws there. It's got pre-drilled holes. You have screws there. Jam will just run up into there. All right, we're gonna mount our studs. I just set the laser up where it hits the door opening. I've got a line chalked across from plate to plate. That way I know where the edge of my stud needs to go. And just got two pre-drilled holes in here through the metal. And then we'll just pre-drill here. I will pre-drill because if you don't, it tends to split this wood. It's so thin. So I'll pre-drill holes and we'll screw right into this wood right here. And then it's got a little bracket. It goes in the bottom, like so. And then we'll use this and anchor it to the concrete.
One, two. No, that's it. Do that one and we'll square.
Move around the back and finish that one. And to fill in my last stud, I'll just hook from here to here and just split the difference. Just make it in the middle. Unless you just want it to be on a stud layout, but it doesn't really matter.
Yep.
So that's it. That's how you install a Johnson pocket door. Pretty simple. Really, once you get going, it doesn't take that long, maybe 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. But that's it. You just have these, got wood, you can screw your drywall or whatever you're gonna put to it. And then your door has just got rollers. Goes up in the track and just slides. That's it. All right, y'all, that was my video on how we installed a pocket door in the pool house. I know I got some dead spots in there. I'm trying to make this being in front of the camera is a little different. So this was back when I got the GoPro and I started making videos. So I'm a little quiet on some of the stuff. So I'm trying to get more personable and do a better job. But but hit that subscribe button and thanks for watching.